Hi guys, Fonzie here from Motorsport. It's official, we're out of lockdown, so well done Team Vic, and yeah, all you guys have got your LSAs out there. Time to bring them in. We are pretty booked out, but a fine example of this ute, long-term customer of ours. It's a ute Maloo with an LSA VF2, so pretty special car. No use sticking him in the garage and doing another with him. He's decided to wick it up. He's got our Stage 8 kit, which is CNC heads, our LSAMAX cam, big boy. It's a manual, so all the fruit on it, booster pump, our triple step headers. So basically this is what you get with our Stage 8 kit, and we just want to show you what it does. It's been a while since we've done some videos on LSA stuff. We do them, we do a lot of stuff for them. We do CNC heads, we even got blocks and solutions for some of the pistons problems that some of these cars have had. So what we're going to do is bang it on the dyno. No interchiller on this one. Good combination of our pulley, 64mm with a 10% overdrive on the bottom. It's a good combo with this cam. It doesn't generate too much heat. Yeah, we've got interchillers, but they're pretty cumbersome to fit and hard and a lot of cost. So this package is a good value for package, and it makes a lot of bang for your buck. So we're going to run it up and show you what you can get. GM Motorsport Stage 8 package. So we'll hit the rollers and bang the fan on and we'll make some noise. Okay guys, that's what we like to see. 700 rear wheel horsepower, 526 rear wheel kilowatts. Is it a manual? It's not an auto, but good numbers for a good result, good package. And what we'd like to show you is that what we do, compare to stock, and some of the things that are involved in it. Talk a little bit about boost pressures and camshafts and what may happen. So basically, got a couple of results up there at the moment, so we'll get rid of the blue one, the red one. Get rid of the yellow one. Okay, and get rid of the green one. So that's basically the standard, and that's what you get with the Stage 8. So even here at the limited difference, 332 rear wheel kilowatts now we're talking back in kilowatts against 486. So you know, some 150 odd kilowatts increase, so nearly 50% increase at that rev range as well. Everything's logged. We log and tune with everything, all the parameters. We live monitoring boost as well, not just in the from the ECU, but live external. That's our torque. So you can see you're going to feel this in the car, and it's from the get-go, away we go. That's me rolling onto the throttle. This would be over here as well if we come on a little bit early. We just make sure we plant the tyres. That's the rev ranges. So even when we keep pulling on, it's around about 6,900. Here's your boost, and the boost is somewhere around about the 14 pounds. The boost changes with the camshaft. So the LSAMAX is the biggest camshaft we really put in these. So what happens is we can make good power on the lower boost level. So boost, for all you guys out there, it's a measurement restriction realistically, so it's not always what your final number is. So the better CNC you have, heads, better camshaft and timing events, you can see a lower boost figure but for a higher power result. Same as turbochargers. So basically, you know, that's what you need to realise. It's just not about the boost number, it's about the total airflow through the engine. That's what makes the power. So we'll show you here as well. This is what would be on this car. This is how you get your cylinder head. So this is all done. You'll hear it in the background. CNC machine is going. We supply a lot of people around Australia with these heads, and this is a cylinder head with the same port work. Your GM Motorsport logos, your exhaust port, one of the highest flowing exhaust ports around on the market. Okay, and that's your intake port. A lot of work goes into these cylinder heads, a lot of the ratios and the bowls. Our exhaust seat is actually not a 5-angle job that people, or 3-angle job that people talk about. It's a special radius bowl, similar to Pro Stock or probably the Japanese motorcycle racing as well. So we have that equipment here in-house to do that. We have boring equipment, we have hone equipment. So we're the one-stop shop. We can supply you everything you need in these packages. We supply shops, we supply them with also tuning knowledge or whatever it might be. But that's what you get, that's stage 8, and that's inside one of these engines as well. So hope you enjoyed the little tech videos. Fabian's going to enjoy his car, I sure did. Thanks guys, GM Motorsport, stay safe.